Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in pet care innovations. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after products for pet owners, the best Pup Jet available on the market. Designed with your pet's comfort and hygiene in mind, the best Pup Jet is more than just a pet shower, it's a game-changer. Whether you're grooming, bathing, or simply pampering your furry friend, this device promises ease of use and outstanding results. Let's start with its standout features. The best Pup Jet offers a powerful water stream that ensures thorough cleaning without causing discomfort to your pet. Its ergonomic design and easy grip handle make it a breeze to maneuver, even for the squirmiest of pets. What sets the best Pup Jet apart from the rest is its versatility. It comes equipped with multiple settings, allowing you to adjust the water flow according to your pet's needs. From a gentle shower to a targeted massage, each setting ensures a spa-like experience for your furry companion. Customers rave about the best Pup Jet for its reliability and effectiveness. It has garnered an impressive rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars across multiple platforms, thanks to its durable build and consistent performance. Whether you're a seasoned pet owner or new to grooming at home, the best Pup Jet is a must-have in your toolkit. It not only simplifies the grooming process but also enhances the bond between you and your pet through stress-free bathing sessions. That wraps up today's review on the best Pup Jet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews on products that matter to you and your furry friends. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.